In this video, I will show you how to get started with custom components. Custom components are built using the Node.js framework. They can expose properties and trigger transitions, as well as render a user interface as part of bot response. They are similar to built-in components in their functionality, but here we can control the internal component implementation. Custom components are commonly used to integrate back-end system calls or add custom logic to a conversation. Overall, custom components are a powerful tool for building sophisticated and highly customized conversational experiences. The Oracle Bots Node SDK is available on GitHub, and it offers a framework to easily develop custom components. You can use your preferred IDE to develop custom components locally. The Bots Node SDK is like a Swiss Army knife in the sense that it provides all the tools you will need, like libraries and utility functions, to assist you. You will be able to read from user input and variables, and will also be able to write back. It allows to the generation of user interfaces such as prompts and messages, and it has access to a wide variety of attributes such as channel type, resolved intents, extracted entity information, and more. We can create a custom component service package with the init command, where we pass the service component and folder names as parameters. This will create a package with a sample Hello World custom component. This sample component has an input property, supported actions or transitions that allow us to move the dialog into those states, and an invoke method where we define the core logic. I will update the default code here with my own implementation. This code will take a name as an input parameter and use the available functions to reply to the user. To package the components, we use the pack command. The resulting file will be used to add the component to ODA. When it comes to deployment options, we have several. The local scale component container is an efficient deployment option that allows for hosting custom components within the skill itself. This approach eliminates the need for external dependencies and provides a lightweight solution for developing, testing, and deploying custom components. In addition to the local deployment option, there are external deployment alternatives that offer more flexibility and scalability. For instance, Oracle's external functions allow for the deployment of custom components as serverless functions within OCI. Similarly, the Oracle Kubernetes engine in OCI provides a platform for containerizing and deploying custom components. Alternatively, external node servers offer the flexibility to deploy custom components on any external server, depending on the specific requirements of the skill. In the skill, we can configure custom component services, and we can choose our deployment option. For the embedded container, we need to provide the package service created previously and wait for it to be uploaded. We can see our Hello World, the input parameter, and define transitions. Next, we create a flow that will prompt the user for a name. The user input will be stored in a variable. Then we add a custom component template, which can be found under the Service Integration menu. In the component, we select our service, which is the Hello World, and we pass the name variable as an input to the service. Putting this to the test will show us the component in action. When building custom components, it's important to consider integration and transformation layers. Remote services can optimize data payloads for use in bots, which can reduce the amount of data sent between the bot and backend systems. Reusable code logic can be moved into JavaScript libraries deployed with the custom component service, which can make it easier to maintain and reuse across different components. Finally, it's important to have an error handling strategy in place to handle potential issues such as backend service access errors, input validation errors, and component exceptions. Proper error handling can help to ensure that the bot remains stable and provides a good user experience. Thank you for watching. For more information, please ask our assistant RT. You can find the links in the description.